to my first spot. There's a kayaker went drifting by a bit over there. Now on Google Earth and 6 maps, there's this big sandy area that had a big weed bed on it. Whether that weed bed's still here or not, I don't know. It's in around about, like I said, between that 2.5 to 3.5 metre zone. I'm just going to try fishing some vibes and blades along here. This is that little blade that I painted up. Put some scent on it and give it a go. First cast of the day. While the tide is still pushing in, I'm going to move out to where it's just a little bit deeper, a bit more towards the drop off, until that tide comes up and I can move back in over these flats. Oh, there's one. It's the first hit I've had. Just came into the shallows. It's only 1.4 metres deep here. What is it? Oh, it's a little bream. But it counts. First one on the board. Come on. Feisty. Good on you, buddy. No donut. That's on the little light coloured blade that I painted. It's probably only about 30 tip. It's on that little blade there. And of course on the AFT it's all CPR, so what you do is you have your measuring device, brag mat or something. They do a code at the beginning of the day. Get the photo, make sure the fish's nose up against the edge. What's he? Up near 28.5. First little tacker, 28 tipper, going back. Right, that's the baby one out of the way. Let's get a real one. Now, because I got that fish over the shallows, I thought I'd throw one of my hip baby 40s that I pimped in green that has worked really well for me over the flats before. So let's give it a quick roll and see if there is anything up shallow. I was hoping with this overcast weather the bream might have moved up onto the flats a bit more, but haven't even had a bump yet. Oh, that sun! How nice is that? Oof! Oh, dropped him. Bugger. Oh, come on, was that a bite then? Yes, it was. Oh, I dropped him, oh, come on! Oh man! 2 drop fish, jeez. There's a clunk. That was a good, that's a better bite. Come on, be a bream. Be nice. and I'll let you go very soon. I'll just back that drag out. There's nothing really out here that he can back that drag off. Haven't seen him yet, still no colour. Oh, he's a nice bream. Just saw him very briefly. Come on. Come on up and I'll let you go. I'll put you on the measure and say see you later. He's a goodie. That's a nice one. Well done me. Oh, it's been a long time between bites. It's been an hour and 20 minutes or something. It's just gone 9:14. I've just moved out a bit deeper. I was fishing over in about 2 metres of water, and I thought I'll just drop out and see if I can see anything on the sounder. And this guy's latched on. There's a little blade that I got him on. He'll be mid-30s. There we go. So he'll round up to 34. So he's, just stay still, he'll go back. He's a much better fish. Another couple like that, and then I can get rid of that 28 off the scoreboard. See you, matey. Right, let's go back to that spot, out in a bit deeper water. See if we can get another clunk on this blade. There's another one. This one feels all right too. Not as big, but oh, he's just seen me and taken off. Well, that's my bag. He'll probably be up around about that 31, 32. Yes. Just pinned him in the corner of the mouth with that blade there. Whee! So we're just on 31. Happy days. This guy's going back. Ooh, there's number 3. Whew. Now for upgrades. Just there heading over to Jamie here. He's just got a good bream. So you may as well see one, because the best I've got is a 34. I think he said it's up near around about 40. Oh, that's a good one, mate. So what does he go? 40, does he?
I think just 40.
Just 40.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
There he is. 41 and a half. Beautiful silverfish. Well done, mate.
There we go.
Laughing. And he's off.
There he goes. Yeah.
Ooh, that's great. Ooh. Well done, buddy.
Whoops.
Something's just picked it up off the bottom there. Haven't seen it. I don't think it's going to be an upgrade though. Maybe, who knows? I'll wait and see. No, he's only 27 tip. Okay, that's it, we're going in. Well, 4 fish all day. Biggest is 34, then a 31 and a half, I think it was, or 31, and a 28 and a half. Anyway, that's it. Let's go in and see how we've done.
James Grant.
Yay!
Right.
Well done, James.
Thank you. I don't have any photos at the moment, but you've got it going out there.
No. Oh.
Hey!
Gianni.
Hey! Yeah. Well done, Gianni.
Well done, buddy.
Well done, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Third place with a bag of 119.5 centimetres. Steve.
Yeah, Steve P!
There we go, there's the one.
Thank you.
Well done, mate.
Well done,
Good bag.
Steve. Good stuff.
We'll have to do some editing on this for me.
Yeah,
thanks.
I'll sort this out.
In second place with a bag of 120 centimetres,
Look at him. So.
Danny Cole.
Yay!
Well done, mate. Congratulations on that.
Well done, mate.
And in first place,
Well done, mate.
with a whopping big bag, 133.5 centimetres. Also winner of the HWS Beach Bream Award. Biggest bream going 46 centimetres in the bag, Joshua Richards. Well done, mate.
Well done, Josh. Well done, mate.
Thanks everyone for coming down. We have a mystery prize, don't leave. 1 second.
Oh, is it you and me, one?
The prize length for the day and the bag was 35 centimetres.
That's not me.
So we do have one of the smaller fish to win it in. And it is Christian Blazer.
Hey!
Congratulations, mate. 30 bucks for the edition. It's almost a cranker crab. But you'll get it back. And last but not least, we have our lucky door prize for free entry next round. And there's a number on there for us, just get random. 29. Carl Gordon.
Yes.
Right, Carl.
Oh, yes.
Send us a message and we'll send you through a link for the next round free entry. Cool. Any
Well
of the
done,
winners,
Carl.
if you could just stay over here, we'll get back to you.
Oh, he's the other winner. Well done, mate. Well done.
And for everyone else, the next round is going to be on at Barara. It's on in about 6 weeks approximately, so keep your eyes peeled. We'll put it up on Facebook and just enjoy.
Can we get back
Thanks,
to
everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Where's Craig? He's slacking on you.
Yeah, he's